Welcome back to this video. If you use WhatsApp Business, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see the new WhatsApp Business update that allow you to easily transcribe voice notes to text without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Google Play Store. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then click on here to open my Google Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to simply click on search icon right here from the bottom. Then come to search app and game and type in business WhatsApp. Click on enter and this is going to pump up. What you need to do is to simply click on here WhatsApp business. Then it's come right here. What you need to do is to simply click on update right here. I'm going to simply click on update. After you have successfully updated your WhatsApp business, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. You have to open up your WhatsApp. Like for instance, I have a particular audio note right here. So I have an audio note right here. Now, if I don't want to listen to this audio and I want everything to be transcribed into text. So if I don't want to listen to this audio, I just want this audio to be transcribed to text. What we want to do is to simply click and hold down. Then we'll click on these three dots right here. We're supposed to see the transcribe options right here. But because we have not activated the new update, what we need to do now is to make sure we activate it. Then we come back to this audio. And for us to do that, we have to simply go back from the chat section right here. Go back. The next thing we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right here and click on these three dots. The next thing we want to do is to simply click on settings right here. Then take us right here. Next thing we need to do is to simply click on chats. Then we have to simply turn on this particular button right here. The next thing we want to do is to click on choose language. Then here we have about 5 languages as at the time of making this video. Maybe in the future, WhatsApp is going to add more languages. So right here, you have to choose your understand language. So I'm going to select English language right here. Then next thing I'm going to do is to click on setup now. And it's going to cost me about 136 megabytes. Allow the language to be downloaded successfully. Just like what you see right here. So it has to be downloaded completely before you can see the button active in your WhatsApp business. So let's check it out. So you can now see that read now voice note has been active. So what we want to do next is to simply go back to our chat